Okay, so now we are going to solve the question related to linear programming. So linear programming is a very important chapter. It is for class 12th standard students, and mainly in CBSE, of course it is there. I do not know whether in other boards this linear programming questions are there or not. But these questions are very much useful and giving a complete logical revamping of mind, we can say. So it makes us to think logically, it makes us to draw graph, it makes us to find points, coordinates. Okay, so a complete logical solution is being arrived in this type of question, and I generally recommend my students to compulsorily solve this type of questions in examination. They should not leave it, though this type of question seems to be little bit longer. Okay, when you are going for more steps and all, so it will be little bit longer, but it makes a student to have a complete logical mind, and with his logical mind he is able to solve the question, then much more pleasure he is getting. Okay, so this particular question is very much useful. I am going to solve one question along with you for everybody's understanding, and I feel that our students will understand. So what I say, that if we will be utilizing graph sheet for drawing graph, it will be more better. But even if you are not having graph sheet, you will be able to solve in your normal paper also. By rough diagram also we can solve it very easily. Okay, so right, thank you. Let us go for solving the question. Okay, so let us solve a question related to linear programming problem today. Okay, so this particular question is from 12th standard students, and this question has got already repeated in All India examination in 2016, in CBSE board 2016 for standard 12 mathematics. This question is already repeated. This question is already, it has come, and this question is from chapter linear programming. So linear programming problem, it also plays an important role. Okay, so how to conceptualize and how to solve this particular question, let us have a discussion on that. Okay, so here we do have, the question is, a retired person wants to invest an amount of rupees 50,000. Okay, his broker recommends investing in two type of bonds, A and B. So the retired person is having a total amount of 50,000. Okay, and his broker is recommending to invest that 50,000 in two types of bond, A and B. In one bond A, 10% return will be there, and in bond B, 9% return will be there on the invested amount. Okay, he decides to invest at least rupees 20,000 in bond A and at least rupees 10,000 in bond B. These are at least, not fixed. He also wants to invest at least as much as in bond A as in bond B. Now we need to solve this linear programming problem graphically to maximize his returns. It means he needs to have maximum returns. Okay, so let us form equations first. So if suppose suppose rupees X is invested in bond A and rupees Y is invested in bond B. Suppose, okay, it means as per the given question, this X plus Y will become less than or equal to 50,000. Okay, X plus Y will become less than or equal to 50,000. Now in bond A, he is getting 10% return. In bond B, he is getting 9% return. Okay, so our, you can say, the linear programming problem Z, which has to get maximized, will be, you can say, 110% of X plus 109% of y. Okay, so this is our linear programming problem, right? Okay, so this z can further be written as z is equal to 1.10x plus 1.09y. This is our problem. Now what are the constants are there? So the constants are, he decides to invest at least rupees 20,000 in bond A. At least, it means x should be greater than equal to 20,000, right? And at least 10,000 in bond B means y should be greater than equal to 10,000, right? He also wants to invest at least as much as in bond A as in bond B. Okay, where x is greater and y is you can say smaller, but he can go for as much, wants to invest at least as much in bond A as in bond B. So it means x can be greater than or equal to y also, which you can say that x minus y is greater than equal to 0, right? Okay, this is one equation, or x equal to y, right? And another one, x is surely greater than equal to 0, y is surely greater than equal to 0. Okay, so these are the question we have got. Constraints, these are the constraints, and this is our linear programming problem which has to be maximized. We have to maximize this one. Okay, so we have to draw graph first. So let us draw a graph of each and every line. So suppose it is, I am drawing, you can say, because all are positive only, so this positive side I am keeping like this and like this, it is there. Okay, and if it is 0, let us go for 5,000. Okay, so 5k, I will write 5k, then 10k, then 15k, then 20k, and so on. Similarly for y, this is x-axis, yes, and this is y-axis, y dash. So this is 5k again, this is 10k, this is 15k, this is 25k, and similarly for 50,000 also, because 50,000 here it is there, x plus y is equal to 50,000. Okay, so 50,000 somewhere, let us make it here after 25k, we'll make it here 50,000. Okay, 50,000, 50k, and then y. Similarly here also I am making 50k, right? Okay, so it is just you can say rough graph. So we have got x is greater than equal to 20,000. So if this is 20k, so we can draw like this, and this one will be giving x is equal to 20,000, y is equal to 10,000, so like this it will be there. So this line will become y is equal to 10,000. So x is greater than 2,000 means this region will be there, y is greater than 10,000 means above region will be there. It means our region is here, somewhere here our region is there. Okay, now so these two lines we have already drawn, x is greater than equal to 0 and y is greater than equal to 0. Okay, right, that is already existing. Then x equal to y, okay, x minus y is greater than equal to 0. Now one more line we need to draw, that is x plus y is equal to 50,000. So if x equal to 0, y will become 50,000. So somewhere like this it is there. So this line, and suppose here, because from here we need to draw like this. Okay, so this one will become 50,000, 50k and 0, this point, and this point will become 0 and 50k. Okay, right? Then further we have to get x equal to y. Okay, x minus y is equal to 0, so x equal to y, right? So if x equal to y, if we are going for, then x equal to this one, if we are going, what is this point? This point is, you can say, x equal to 20,000. So this point will become y is equal to 30,000, because x plus y is equal to 50,000 it is. So this point is actually 20,000, 20k and 30k, right? Okay. Actually we need to draw a correct graph, then only we will come to know, and all are higher only it is there. So there is no need of requirement of 5k, 10k, because it is not giving us space. There is space limitation is there. So once again we will try to make it. Okay, so we will make with this one is there and this is there. So if suppose we are making it as this one only 20k we are putting it, and this one we are putting as 10k, y is equal to 10k. Okay, so now so 20k, 20k, suppose this is 50k, okay, and 0. Similarly, suppose this one is there, so this one will become 0 and 50k. So this line, okay, no problem, because it should be straight, na, right? So in this way we are keeping it, so it is becoming 50k and 0, this point and this point, right? So this point has become what? This point has become 20 and 30. So 20k and 30k. What about this point, gentlemen? So this is 10k is there. So it will become 40. This point 40k and 10k. Okay. Then if we are going for x equal to y, okay, so if we are going for x equal to y, then it means if x equal to, so less than 50,000 it is there, here we are putting, so if x equal to y, so x equal to 25,000, then y also will become 25,000. So somewhere, okay, this point will be there, right? So this is 25,000, 25,000 we can keep it. So 25k, 25k, correct? Okay, and if suppose x equal to 20k, then y also equal to 20k will be there. So somewhere here it will be there 20k, 20k. So it means like this we are getting a line for x equal to y, x equal to y, and this one will be 20k and 20k, this point both. So our reference point has come, this point A, this point B, this point C, and this point D. What is A, gentlemen? So A is what? 20 and 10, 20 and 10k, 20k, 10k. Similarly, this point B is 20, 20. Okay. So now, what are the points we got? We got A as 20k and 10k, right? We got B 20k and 20k. Sorry, yes, B. Then C we have got 25k and 25k, right? D what we got? We got 40k and 10k. Okay, right? So now we need to solve. Now I am going to rub this graph, then only we will be able to maximize the given problem. Okay, because we have got the coordinates in which we need to go for solving of the problem. Okay, right. So our problem is, right, our problem is z is equal to 1.10x plus 1.09y. So we have to get the maximum value of z here. So we will put the value of a, b, c, d. So if we are putting a, means x equal to 20k and y is equal to 10k, then what we are getting 1.10, okay, into 20,000 plus 1.09 into 10,000. Okay, so what we got here? So 20 has got removed, this decimal has got removed with these 2 zeros, then 2, so 11 to 22, okay, 0 0 0, 3 zeros, plus again 2 zeros has got removed, so 10900, okay, right. So what we have got here, we have got you can say bond A and B. If we are putting this okay, no problem, we can find out complete investment, right? Okay, so 22,000 and 10900, so 00 and then 9, then 2 213 32900, okay, right. If investment is 20k and 10k, right. So what will be there? So 30k is there, so 2900 is the profit, 2900, right. So for this 2900, again next, because space is less, so I am going to solve now. Then for B, point B, that is equal to 20k 20k, so 1.10 into 20,000 plus 1.09 into 20,000, okay, right. 2 zeros have gone for removing the decimal, and then it will be 11 to again 22, right, and 3 zeros, 22,000, plus here 2 decimals have gone, now 109 into 2, so it will become 21800, double zero is there. So this we have got how much, 0 0, then 8, then 213 224 43800. What was the investment? 40k. So here we have got 3800 as gain, okay, 3800. So for B we have got 3800 gain. Now further we have to see. Now point C. So C is what? 25 25, okay. So let us see, 1.10 into 25,000, right, plus 1.09 into 25,000, right. So this double zero will get removed for this decimal, and further if we are doing, then 25 0 25, 25 1 ja 25 5, 25 1 ja 25 plus 2 27, and one more 0, okay, right, plus here 25 9 ja 225, so 5 22 0, so for 22 it is 2, in hand 2 is there, 25 125, so 27 2725, and then 0, okay. Further what it will be there, so 0 5, okay, 5 to 7, then 7 7 14, 2 2 4 1 5, okay. So what we have got, 54750. What was the investment? Investment is 25 25, so 50,000. So here we have got 4750 as benefit, gain 4750, right, okay. Now last point we'll check it. whether we are getting any maximum value or not. Okay, so this point D is giving us 40k and 10k. So 1.10 into 40,000 plus 1.09 into 10,000, right? And then again 2 zeros will be utilized to remove the decimal, and here it is becoming 11 4 ja 44, and 1 0 is there, so 3 zeros plus here decimals already removed, so 109 and 00, and this is giving to us as 0 0 and then 9 and then 4 415 54900. What is the investment? 40,000 and 10,000. So 50,000 is the investment. So gain is 4,900 for this point D. 4,900. Okay. So now for all the 4 points, we have already found out the values. So Z is equal to 1.10x plus 1.09y. So we saw that when there will be an investment of x equal to 40,000 rupees in bond A and y is equal to rupees 10,000 in bond B, then there is a maximum gain of rupees 4,900. So in all the values for x, A we have got 2,900, for B we have got 3,800, and for C we got 4,750, and for D point we got 4,900. So 4,900 is the maximum value what we are getting, and this will be the answer, means x equal to 40,000 and y is equal to 10,000. So in this way, by applying a complete logic, we are solving this type of question, and it is very good question. You can say it is giving a complete development of a logical mind. So these linear programming problems makes us to think logically and solve also the problem logically, utilizing graph simultaneously. If we will be going for drawing a graph in a graph sheet, then very accurate results and all immediately there itself we will get. Okay, so because I went for drawing some approximate. With approximate also we will be able to draw, and we have got it already. Okay, so thank you very much.